Para lang sa'yo, awit ng aking puso. Sana'y mapansin mo rin ang lihim kong pagtingin. Hello everyone, thank you for joining. Tayo sa mga manager ko dyan, thank you sa mga support, sa mga admin, sa mga member ka agency ko, thank you for coming. Thank you. I hope you enjoy the live, guys. Di mo lang, huwag ka sanang magagaling. Tinamaan yata talagang aking puso, na dati akala ko'y manhid. Di pa rin makalapit, inunan ng kaba sa aking dibdib. Sa iyong ngiti, ako'y nahumaling. At sa tuwing ikaw ay lalapit, mundo ko'y tumitigil. Ang pangalan mo, sisigaw ng puso. Sana'y mapansin mo rin ang lihim kong pagtingin. Sa iyong ngiti, ako'y nahumaling. At sa tuwing ikaw ay gagalaw, mundo ko'y tumitigil. Ang parasan sa'yo ay ng aking puso. Sana'y mapansin mo rin ang lihim kong pagtingin. Thank you po. Thank you so much everyone for coming. Salamat sa mga manager. Thank you Manager Sexy, Ate Kayla, Shot Puno. Thank you po.
Crazy Rumble number up to 3
Advertise tayo guys.
Pwede mo panalunan si Supermarket pinakabarato.
So my next song is Born For You. Sana ma-enjoy you guys sa live ko guys. Thank you so much sa support. So many billion people running around the planet. What is the chance in heaven? What you'll find your way to me? Hi Ate Barbie. Sensation is a miracle that happened. Though I search for an explanation, only one thing it could be, that I was born for you. It was written in the stars. Yes, I was born for you. And the choice was never ours. It is the powers of the universe conspire to make you mine. Until the day I die, I bless the day that I was born for you. So many foolish people trying to come between us. None of them seems to matter when I look into your eyes. Now I know why I belong here. In your arms I found the answer. Somehow nothing would seem so wrong here, if they only realize that I was born for you, and that you were born for me. And in this random world, This was clearly meant to be. What we of the world could never understand, ever take away, until the day I die. I miss the day that I was born for you. Hello po, thank you so much.